Welcome to our channel. On this channel, we share rentals and sales by private owners aboard the Villa Vie Odyssey Residential cruise ship. Be sure to subscribe so you are the first one to get notified when we drop a new rental or sale.
Okay, our next room to show you for rent is 6034. I'm standing here at the elevators and the forward stairwell, so I'll show you our location, but very conveniently located if you like being near those elevators. All right, so let's go check out our location. Elevators, stairwell, come right here, turn, and here we are at 6034. This is a deck 6 unobstructed ocean view. So let's check it out. We'll start in the restroom. We have 2 closets, and the owner is not here now, so they are completely empty. You have a safe in here, a mini fridge, and there's a second closet over there. Let me go ahead and shut the door so no one bothers us. All right. This room is available for rent. We have this nice desk space, plenty of storage, all the things. Remember, the price always includes your Wi-Fi, your gratuities, port fees, 2 beer wine with lunch, 2 beer wine with dinner, gratuities, laundry, all the goodies. And we have a storm outside, but let's see. Woo, look at those waves. Unobstructed ocean view. So this room is with a property manager. You will go to our description. How do you get to the description, you ask? Find the title below this video. Find the word more at the end of the title. Click on the word more and it will expand our description. There you will see the contact information or the link to the property manager site, and you can find out the available dates, the pricing, all the things you need to know. Also in the description, you will find the itinerary. We have it linked there so you know exactly when you want to come aboard. Remember, these beds are 2 singles pushed together so they can be separated. So if you have 2 solos and you don't want to share a bed, they can be separated or they can be kept together. Your choice. Have you always wanted to try residential cruising? Now's your chance. Come check it out.